So are you looking for a new construction home with a commute of about 30 minutes into Houston and have a budget between $400,000 and $500,000? Well, I've got you covered. Today we'll be taking a look at this gorgeous model home in the brand new Valencia community located in Manvel, Texas. This stunning home features a gourmet kitchen, a spacious living area, and an elegant owner's suite. The home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and just over 2,400 square feet. If this is your first time here and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Houston or moving here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm David Janssen. My team and I have been helping people just like you make their move to Houston for over 15 years. Whether you're relocating from across the country or making a local move, we're here to help every step of the way. You can call or text me at this number right here, or you can look down in the comments section. You'll find all of our contact information, to include a link to my calendar. Now, let's check out this incredible home. Welcome to 6003 Regala Drive, showcasing Pulte's signature open concept design. Valencia is a brand new 440-acre master plan community offering incredible amenities such as an infinity edge pool with cabanas, pickleball courts, clubhouse, barbecue pits, and 8 miles of walking trails, and more. All of this just 25 minutes from downtown Houston and the Texas Medical Center. Whether you're commuting to the city or enjoying a piece of the suburbs, this location gives you the best of both worlds. If you'd like to see this home or anything else in the Houston area, reach out. We would absolutely love to help you. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the tour.